Hi, I'm Phil from the Bristol Bay Code Factory, and in this short tutorial I'm going to help you get the most out of the filter tool. You can create filters based on the majority of a photograph's metadata field. First, we need to add a condition. We do this by choosing which field we want to filter on. We go for camera mode. PhotoOrganista will give you a set of options relevant for the field you've chosen. For example, we're going to get a different set of options if we try and filter on a value. Let's try a text-based search. Note here, PhotoOrganista has not brought back any images. That's because by default, text searches are case sensitive. But you can disable this behaviour by toggling the option here. We can add a second condition. Which by default is ANDed with the first. However, you can change this by toggling this option here. And now this becomes an OR search. We can create a more complicated structure though by grouping these together. Instead of adding a field, add a condition group. We now have a second condition group under the first, to which we can add another field. We can keep adding further condition groups. And make them arbitrarily complicated. Now, you may have a filter condition which you want to use many times. And instead of having to enter it in each time, you can save it away as a favourite. Let's clear this. Next time I want to use that, I go to the Favourite menu and click on Complex Example. I can go back and edit that at any time I want as well. Now, a final use of filters is to create what we call a filter set. Let's create a basic filter to illustrate this. I'm going to come to the context menu here, add to filter sets, and give it a name. Now, if we go up into the photos area of the organizer here, you'll now see it's appeared under photo sets. I can now use this as an initial start point when selecting images from my library. So I can come here, I'm starting immediately with all those images with an ISO of 100. You can add multiple photo sets in here as well. And build the query up in the similar way. You'll see PhotoOrganista will run the query and tell you how many images you've got in your complete library that matches this filter. Well, that completes showing you all the key features of the filter tool. Check out our other videos to learn more about the capabilities of PhotoOrganista.